Hello guys, welcome to the next video on JavaFX tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will see how we can apply styles to our components using styles sheets. So if you remember in the last video, we have created a project, and when we create a project, there is this line of code which is automatically generated for us, which is right now interesting for us, which is this one, scene.getStyle.add, and in the bracket getClass.getResource, and this application.css is added. So we have a CSS called application.css, so we will open it. You can see in your application package there is a application.css file which is right now empty. Now this file we can use to give styles, right? So let's see how we can give styles to our components inside our JavaFX using this CSS file. Now this works same as CSS files work. So for example, let's open our fxml file. So I will open my fxml file, and I have this button and a label here. So using the ID of the button, I can give the style to the button. So this is the ID, click me. So this is the ID, click me, and I can just take this ID, and with the hash and this ID, I can give styles to this particular button which has this ID. So for example, I want to change the font size first of all. So I will just give minus fx minus font, and you have these options: font style, font size, font family. So you can choose, right? So for example, I want font size right now, and I will just give 20 px, okay, and just give this semicolon. Let's give 30 px for now, okay. Now in the same way, we can provide some background color. For example, fx minus background color, and we will use a method called RGBA. So RGBA, and then we can give these parameters here: 255, 255, 255, and 0.80. Right now, for example, I want to give the foreground color. I can use fx minus text fill. So just use this option, and for example, I want the foreground color of blue, something like this, right? Now I want some padding and some border color also. So what can I do here? I can give the padding something like this: fx minus padding, and then just give 6, 6, 6, 6 to every side, okay. Let's give border radius. So fx minus border radius, and let's give the border radius of 8 here, okay. Now for example, I want to change the weight of the font, so I can just use fx minus font weight, which can be bold or italic or something else. For example, we use bold here, okay. And now just save your code and run your application, and let's see how it looks like. So you can see our button looks like this, right? Nothing fancy, but this is just a demonstration how you can change the styles of your button, okay. Now similarly, if you want to change the style of your label, you can just use the ID of your label, which is this one, my message. Go to your application.css and give hash, and then your label ID, and in the curly braces, for example, I will just choose the same style here and paste it here, and I will just save my code and run it. And when I just click this button, I can see this number, random number, generated in the label here, right? Now for example, you want to change the background color of your scene. So what you can do here is you can just use dot root. So just use dot root here, and then give the styles to your root. For example, background color. So just write fx minus background color, and for example I want to give the background color of gray, right? So just save it and then run your code, and now the color of my scene becomes gray, right? Now for example, you have multiple buttons and you want to apply the same styles to all the buttons. So instead of using this ID, you can just use dot button and it will apply to all the buttons. So something like this. Save your code and run it, and it will be same. So it will apply to all the buttons the same styles. If you have multiple buttons, something like 4 or 5 buttons, the same styles will be applied to every button. And similarly you can do for the labels. So if you have multiple labels, you can just use dot label and then apply the same styles to all the labels. Okay, now let's open our fxml file using the scene builder. So I will right click on my fxml file and open with scene builder, and here you can see the style is not directly applied here. So when we run our code, we can see this style, but this style sheet is not applied to this project. And how you can add style sheet to this scene builder? You can just go to preview here and then choose this option called style sheet and then add style sheet, and then you can browse to your project. So my project name is JavaFX test source application, and choose your application.css file from here and open it, and now your style is visible here, right? So you can just preview this style. Okay, so in this way you can add this application.css or CSS styles in scene builder, right? Now if you want to learn more about this styling and CSS file for JavaFX, we have a reference. So just open your browser and search for JavaFX CSS reference, and the first link which will appear here will be from allRadical.com/JavaFX/ the link to this JavaFX CSS reference guide. So you can open this CSS reference guide, and here is the documentation for the CSS styling, right? So for example, I want some color, for example this color, so I can just copy it from here, go to my styles sheets, and instead of blue I can just apply this color here, right? Save it and run it, and this color is applied here. Okay, so this guide is really useful in finding out how you can tweak your CSS file and apply the style sheets. Okay, so in this way you can apply styles to your JavaFX components. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.